Hello, and welcome to WaxHands.com. The unique system we have developed together with the special techniques that we utilize allows us to make an exquisite replica of your hands as well as feet for the little ones in wax and plaster. The procedure we use is safe, quick, and enjoyable. First, we dip your hand in cool, soapy water. This allows for quick removal once the mold is tightly formed around your hand, followed by 3 quick and deliberate dips into the warm wax. Each dip into the warm wax is immediately followed by a quick dip into the cool water. The mold is then painted by dipping your hand into colored wax. The final step is dipping the colored mold into cool water for the process of final solidification. The colored mold is then skillfully removed from your hand by our wax hand artist. The full process, start to finish, takes approximately 2 minutes.